Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery running fast issue on iPhone and iOS 17. So guys, let's get start this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, lower the screen brightness. So for this, go to control center and lower your screen brightness. And then after this, the next solution is turn on iPhone auto brightness. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size, scroll down and turn on auto brightness here. So go back now, and then after this the next solution is update your all apps. So for this, go to App Store, tap on the profile icon in the right corner, so update all apps here. And then after this the next solution is reduce the number of widgets in the today view and home screen. So guys, I don't use the widgets in the home screen and today view. Here is the today view. So guys, if you are using any widgets, so remove the unused widgets. And then after this the next solution is turn off location services. So for this, go to setting, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, tap to turn this location off if you are not using. And then after this the next solution is disable background app refresh. So go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on background app refresh. So turn off background app refresh here. And then after this the next solution is turn on optimized battery charging. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on battery, tap on battery health. So here is the option optimize battery charging, so enable this. And then, so guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.